Yes, so this another season of bedu bedu. This yam, you see yam, yeah, and this is spinach with iboga fish, iboga. Yes, so if I said my wife come alive to use better food finish me, eh? Are you eating this one at home? If they chop this kind of food for your house, eh? See yam. Okay, now let me deal with the yam. This yam. Eh, oh boy, Ozigogo, Ozigogo. Can you see this? Yamo. Ah, at least I said me I still enjoy myself. Not be only those who they for go they enjoy. Make I still enjoy yam. Enjoy better food. Ew. Oh boy. Ew. Oh boy. Oh boy. Say me peke peke peke. We are more feel no vunu once. Eh, on no no. We are eba no vunu je. Huh? I don't know where. Eba no go wanye. Eh. Let's say I'll finish this one though. Eh? I don't want to wear anyone though. Oh boy. Seafood. Eh? Let me first taste this one first. Let me deal with this one. Eh. Ah, Iboga. Iboga for that matter. You see Iboga. Mmm. 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 Oh boy. Mmm. Oh boy. Oh. Right. Let's finish this one first before we deal with this one. Step by step. So that the thing will digest well. Ooh. This is too sweet too. Where is this woman? Come on, not believe me, sabi chop better food. Come and join me. Mm. Mm. Madam, where are you? Oh, you just leave the food for me. Come on, show me the chopper. See
And
yourself by yourself.
don't slice and finish.
You, your dog wife is here. Oh,
No, I did,
join me.
receive call.
Oh,
You don't cut on already.
I don't slice now. Someone first deal with this one first. Make it for
Guys,
yourself.
join also
Mm. Mm.
roasted yam with vegetable sauce.
Yeah, this sauce is so sweet.
Welcome.
Mm.
Mm.
And the surprise food be this one, where they tell me.
I'm very.
They're really surprise food though. You know let me sleep last night. You say, Daddy, when you call me daddy, I don't say something will happen. When you come call me big daddy, I don't say this surprise is coming. Last night you say big daddy. I have a
Ah.
surprise for you this morning. I said, He said, don't worry, just stay inside the room. Sleep as you want.
Oh wow.
I'll be the one in the kitchen. I said, Only wait to I just hear daddy. Where's big daddy? Food is ready. I look I see Boga, see
Now you know wait for me. Me I feel receive call. Now you know wait.
I don't feel wait to. You know You really go well. You said me I empty my belly. I see where try the better food.
Abi.
I have the surprise. Keep it up. You know, first, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baba. You know the baba. I go but it go. I sound by. I'm gonna some better. I'm gonna some better. Oh. English and women. You can cook. Ah. They can cook.
You too like food too.
Mm.
You don't taste this time.
Ah. Yes, sugar.
Me I don't want the roast for me. I say no be only people wey dey bongo. No be only dey chop roasted yam.
No believe them.
I wan roast this type of yam. I will drop the video make una see am.
Oh boy. Yeah, sip. Better wife. Now don't do you. Add more, add more, add more.
Come to me.
Before them.
I like this sister. I bet me to use knife cut this one.
Bobo. Ọmọdé ìlú náà ẹbẹ ní pẹ̀lú nídìí. Bá mi.
There they go. That your prayer.
That one a special prayer. I know they come often. Oh. And when somebody do something good to me, now they give them that prayer. Mm. Mm.
Hot too.
So the hot night good though. If you come cold, no, we'll let you enjoy. But
You like the boga and boga actually do the sauce.
no, so I'm not come. I'm not come.
You never said no before.
We married men and six kind of food supposed to be burger. Burger.
Dried fish.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
No, leave her, no. Don't leave her. I'll call her back.
If you do your next to come do
No, I'll call her. No, I'll call her back.